Piano.
Piano. Today we ride steady. My heart rate goes above 10 beats a minute. It's too hot.
10 beats a minute?
10 beats, like seriously.
You are like Terminator.
Someone asked me the other day, Gareth, you know, like, you're a machine. And I was like, yeah, okay. I consider that a compliment, but I'm also a little bit worried that I'm becoming less human by the day. Maybe that's an issue.
So I come out today for a nice spin with my mate Gareth. It hasn't been that nice though, has it, Gareth?
No, it's a bit busy and a bit leery.
It's just been cars. What kind of lockdown is this?
Zero check.
Everyone's just, yeah, we've been riding in a line behind each other. Probably looks quite nice on the GoPro. It hasn't been. But now we're on a lane. We've chosen the quietest lanes we can find. Now we're out in Surrey. And yeah, short loop, piano.
Piano pace. I'm no maestro, clearly, but I think this is how you play piano.
How are you, Gareth? I haven't seen you since we saw Molly.
I'm fine. I've been trying to grow a moustache for Movember.
Looks great.
I've been told that it's not great.
Let me just, I need my zoom lens to see it.
Yeah, can you just catch it? Maybe in a certain light. What about if I flip the brim? No, I won't do that. No, so I've been trying to grow a moustache and trying to just, you know, enjoy my bike. That is life.
That's what it's about.
That's what it's all about.
Hill ride has improved significantly. We're just in the nice bit now, there's no one here. Last time I was here, got papped.
Tell me the story.
Got papped by the Times newspaper.
Wow.
For not social distancing, even though I was. I won't bore the viewers with the story because it's been told already. Put a link down below. Let
me get this straight. A newspaper wrote an article about involving you that was incorrect or misinformed.
Yeah.
I don't believe it. Propaganda. Fake news. The problem with masks is you can't see my epic moustache.
Epic?
Epic, yeah.
I was getting a bit bonky on that ride. It wasn't very piano.
Really?
No. Gareth, I want to know about your mo.
So this clearly isn't a prominent feature on my face usually because I'm incapable of growing a good moustache. I shave twice a day. I've shaved twice a day since I was able to grow facial hair.
You shave? What?
Twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. But I'm making an exception for Movember this year because I've lost a few friends this year. And if I can do more to raise awareness and help other people, then that is my responsibility. So I am driving people to Nick Friendo's Just Giving account for Movember because he is doing so much for male suicide and suicide awareness, and I think that he's affecting real change, and everything goes to you, sir. That was terrible. That was terrible.
It was great.
Cut.
All of you guys know who Nick Friendo is already. I'll put a link down below to his Movember Just Giving because I think has he started a new one? Is that how it works? I don't know. Anyway, loads of good information there. I'll try and catch up with him soon because he's doing some meaningful miles through the whole of Movember. I just call it Movember now.
November.
There is no November.
November's dead.
We've got to go and have a meeting now on bikes because it's COVID, so you might as well just do it on bikes, right?
Do it on bikes instead. I have a meeting on Microsoft Teams in 12 minutes. Somehow I've got to create an illusion that I'm at work and that I need to put a shirt on and tidy myself up, but you know, fake it to make it.
You're right, mate.
Who's that Team Sky rider? I mean Ineos rider. Is it Andy Fenn? Yeah, I'm right, mate. I just hate winter. Do you?
Yeah.
It's just so sad and cold. Can we go to Spain?
If we could go to Spain without quarantining for 2 weeks, I'll be down.
I almost just feel like the quarantine will be worth it, though. Keep me updated with that.
Yeah, no, sure. You fancy that?
Why are you talking to that man with a moustache?
Could you like?
Because I've got a bag of sweets here, hang on. I've got a mask, an inhaler.
I'm just fascinated as to how his bike is so clean and mine is so dirty.
Because he only rides around the park.
Yeah. I do it.
It's not even got a spec on it.
Ducky.
Is it a silly idea wearing that? Because you could eBay that for a lot of money.
But then I only paid retail for it, so it's worth it. I could sell it for like 400, yeah.
Someone might pay more because you've won it.
I'll sign it.
Unwashed. The lockdown rules are a bit strange at the minute because we can still exercise with one other person, so you can still go riding with other people like I did with Gareth, and then I don't think there's anything stopping you doing what I did today, which is switching to riding with someone else. It just creates a bit of a strange dynamic when you're in somewhere like Richmond Park, where every bike rider in London tends to go to ride, or ride through at least. You end up bumping into people, and it's in our nature to stop and say hello. Technically, it's against the rules. People are just stopping really quickly, saying hi, and then you have to move on. It's created a really weird dynamic, and hopefully that will change soon. I mean, we have to be thankful it's nowhere near as strict as the first lockdown we were in, and within reason we can ride as far as we want to. Can't remember when the actual rules were supposed to be changing. I think it's the 2nd of December. So as weird as the world is at the moment, I'm trying to keep things interesting and ticking over on this channel. I've got some fun stuff coming up this week, including the much asked after Justin. I'm going to meet up with him tomorrow, and hopefully his bike doesn't explode and I have to push him up a hill. I feel like my last couple of videos have been quite short, and I think this one's going to be quite short as well. It's just because you get back from riding, you've done your exercise for the day, and you can't really go out again and do anything social. Like I said, I hope things will soon improve, and these videos add a little bit to make your day less boring during lockdown. I have actually got a couple of Bike Fit Tuesdays episodes stockpiled that I need to edit still, so stay tuned for those as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.